welcome back to my channel. This is Shayantni. I'm here to talk about various life's lessons and talk about various aspects of life that help us to live happily or help us to achieve our growth in success and achieve a better life that we deserve to live. So here is my point. So we will today discuss about maturity. What is maturity and what its essence in life? Being mature is that it's a state when a person is mature enough. A person is capable enough to take his own decisions. A person is capable enough to understand his family members. One who is capable enough to understand the situations in life. Well, I won't add about working because it's just a part. Earning is just a part of life, because many times you can find that many boys or girls who are underage, that is below 18, they are pretty mature than their parents, and many times parents are obviously they are mature than those teenagers. So it's not always you can find a proper data that people would be mature in a given age. It cannot happen, because maturity may come in any age. Any of the ages you can expect maturity from people, and the best way to understand maturity is when you are understanding your own problems. You are able to, or you're capable to solve your own problems without making your life a big mess. So maturity is to be defined as something that state of that state of mind helps you to understand your problems and to solve your problems with your own intelligence. A sense of maturity comes as you are taking care of your parents at the right time. You are understanding the problems of life. You are trying to tackle your situations, bad situations, to understand how to tackle and deal with difficult situations. So maturity comprises all of these things. Now, how you can become mature? If you are interested by your own self, that you want to be disciplined, you want to be mature. To be mature, one has to be disciplined first, because once you build disciplined attitude within yourself, you are going to be mature in life. When you are very much confident about whatever you are doing, the right things, and you can admit that yes, and even if you are not able to get the proper result, or maybe you have done something wrong unknowingly, you are able to accept that wrongdoing. You can admit. That time you need to understand that yes, you are mature to take responsibility of your own deeds, of your own beliefs, of your own activity, or of your own doings. So there comes the maturity, and this maturity brings lots of confidence in oneself. This maturity helps in many ways. Like, if a person is very much mature, people would love him to be their guide. People would love him to be their friend. But this also includes the section of people who are mature themselves. Otherwise, your maturity won't be understood by people. It won't be realized by people. So it depends on how you take things, how you decide on things, how you talk on things, how you deal with your own problems. And a particular section of people would understand whatever you are expecting, whatever you are understanding, whatever you are doing. Your thoughts would reflect your work. Your work reflects your personality. what kind of things you are doing, what kind of things you are not doing. So of course these things matter to them a lot, the public, the people around you. So maturity is really important. So I have given you the points why maturity is important, because you need to, when you are interested to build your own goodwill, maturity is really important. Maturity is also important to get success in life. Once you are not disciplined, you cannot get success in life. So now comes how you are going to be mature. Of course you can be mature. Once you think that you can be mature, you want to be mature, you have to be around mature people. You can see them, you can observe them, you can understand what they are doing and what they want to do in life. So you can understand, you can take inspiration from those people. That definitely would help you to achieve whatever you want to achieve in life. Not only that, you can achieve your goodwill, you can achieve your good friends, whatever kind of friends you love. But one thing is that maturity won't be understandable to people who are not very much mature. Immature people won't understand your maturity. So it's important first to build your goodwill and be around mature people.